Welcome to the Quizmasters. Test your knowledge of insects with our challenging identification quiz. We have 40 questions, and you have only 5 seconds to answer each. Before we begin, please subscribe the channel for more fun quizzes. Let's get started. Can you name this insect? It's a butterfly. Can you identify this insect? Praying mantis. Recognize this insect. Option B, termite. Identify the insect in this picture. Option C, moth. Can you name this insect? Hornet. Which insect appears in the image? It's an ant. Can you recognize this insect? Cricket. Next image. Can you identify this insect? Dragonfly. Can you name this insect? Locust. Identify the insect in this picture. Ladybug. What insect is depicted here? It's flea. Can you identify this insect? A wasp. Can you recognize this insect? It's a stink bug. Recognize this insect. Weevil. Can you name this insect? Firefly. Identify the insect in this picture. It's a wheel bug. What insect is depicted here? Stag beetle. Name this insect. Leafhopper. Can you recognize this insect? Tomato hornworm. Identify the insect in this picture. Sawfly. Moving on to the next question. Recognize this insect. It's a Luna moth. Can you name this insect? Puss moth. Which insect appears in the image? Owlfly. Which insect appears in the image? Camel cricket. Identify the insect in this picture. Fulgurid planthopper. Recognize this insect. It's mayfly. Can you identify this insect? Antlion. Can you name this insect? Hercules moth. Next question. Can you name this insect? Lanternfly. Recognize this insect. Cicada killer. Name this insect. Giraffe weevil. Can you recognize this insect? It's a mole cricket. What insect is depicted here? Ichneumon wasp. Which insect appears in the image? It's scorpionfly. Can you recognize this insect? Leaf insect. Can you name this insect? Cutworm. Which insect appears in the image? It's a leaf-footed bug. What insect is depicted here? Lacewing. Identify the insect in this picture. Velvet ant. Can you identify this insect? Katie did. That's all for today. Share your score in the comments. If you enjoyed the quiz, remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.